Good morning, guys. So in this video, I'm going to explain how to freeze rows and columns in Microsoft Excel. So let me just explain how to freeze rows. So for that, you have to go to View. So in that view, you can see that freeze panes are available. So click that. So in that, our first objective is to freeze the top row. So click that freeze top row. So if you scroll down, you can see that the first row will remain at the same place, but rest of the rows will keep changing. So this is how we will use to freeze first row. Suppose if you want to unfreeze the row means, then go to freeze panes and click unfreeze panes. If you scroll down, you can see that first row also gets ready to scroll. Suppose in the second objective, we want to freeze the first column alone. How we can do that? Same way, we have to go to view. In the view, click freeze panes and click freeze first column. So if you scroll to the right, you can see that the first column remains at the same place, but rest of the column, it keeps moving. So this is how we will use to freeze columns. Suppose I want to freeze first column and I want to freeze first two rows. How can you do that? For example, I have to freeze this and also I have to freeze these two columns. How we can do that means we have to select the intersection of these two points. In our case, this is our intersection. So click that cell, go to freeze panes and click freeze panes. If I scroll down to the if I scroll down, you can see that the first two rows it will freeze. If I scroll to the right, you can see that the first column will remain at the freeze state. So this is how we will freeze any cell in the Microsoft Excel. And yeah, that's all about today. I'll see you again in the next video.